here with my grandfather, and we're here at the,
Hi.
I don't know what you call this place. We're at our flying
We're in
area.
Ocala.
In Ocala at our flying spot, and we're going to fly our drone here. We're going to see, and he's going to test out his drone over there, Hercules. So, yeah, let's just get into it already. I'm going to start the Solo, you know, one of the best drones they ever made. We're gonna go up 100 feet. Nice flight time out here. Nice and peaceful, if you know. I'm gonna try to stay within the area because the Soul's been having some problems lately. As I've been informed. And he's over there currently testing out Hercules. How you doing over there?
We're doing good. Once we get the battery all lined up here.
Alright.
Balancing out, make sure the battery is balanced so we have a perfectly balanced
Flight.
drone with the battery up here.
Yeah.
Turn on our camera.
So what are your thoughts about the Solo?
I wish they would kept going. It's a great drone.
Yeah, very great. Nice fast. You get smooth flight time with it. Excellent.
I mean, it performs really, really nice.
Very nice. Let's see how much flight time I can get on this.
Yeah, watch the.
That's what I'm doing.
Time on there. Watch your voltage.
Voltage
Percentage.
15.21.
Okay.
We're at 87%.
I have I'm flying with a Tyrannus Q7X transmitter, and we've got a Pixhawk 2 on the drone called Hercules.
Yeah.
We're going to test it with the new antenna that I got. We're going to do some, we're going to watch our OSD, and this will give us battery, GPS, voltage, and range. I have it on a 5.8 gigahertz receiver.
Nice day outside to be flying, isn't it? Sorta.
Got a little short. Well, it's not short there. We got a little overcast right now.
Yeah, a little bit. 80-some% chance.
So we got to try to beat the weather here. Go ahead and switch up. Wait till we get a GPS lock. Right now we're showing a display on showing us our OSD information on the Hercules, and we're going to go ahead and take some recorded video while we're in air, and let's take a look and see how we're doing as far as performance with it. I did get an Amway directional antenna and with an Amway dipole for the receiver, actually the transmitter on the drone. And we're going to see what kind of range we get with it.
We'll see.
I haven't seen any videos on YouTube with that new dipole antenna, vertical antenna, so I'm going to find out how well it works. We're at 11 satellites, really quick connection. We're going to go ahead and take off and turn on a recorded video.
Uh-oh, yeah, I'm getting 1%.
Again?
Yeah, 1%. There we go. So we're down to 14. Yeah, so if it gets down to like
1430.
1430, I'll land it. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, what am I doing? Maybe it's the camera like you said.
No idea what's going on.
Buy for it as well, so they don't hit it. Surprised I'm getting a slight time. It's still 14.77.
Uh-oh. Better drink that. That's probably not reading accurate. And now we're going to restart it and see where we're at.
GPS lost. Okay, so this return home not available. Do you know how to land it without using GPS? She's not stable.
Wow, it's not stable. There we go. Now it is.
Telemetry recovered.
Go ahead and hit the
Come back. Papa. Oh, man. Know what they're doing? What they're doing? Whoa, what was that? watching it because when I landed it, it landed on the road area and it started. It stopped and then it moved all of a sudden.
Put that back in here. Just turn this off. Put that back in there. Hurry. Look. Battery? No. Just put this back in here.
Oh, the controller bag.
The bag. Pick it up. You have to pick it up.
Oh.
No, it's going to fall open. Just pick up the whole thing and then close the door. Got it. Now we're back. We just located Hercules. This is the results of the crash. I don't know what actually happened, but it spun out of control. So we lost a motor because it just kept spinning. So I can see that the coils, the windings in there are black. So it probably burned the motor. I can see where there is some heat that caused a little bit of melting on one of the arms. So I'm sure the motor's no good. I'll test it anyways. It broke some of the arms on it. Other than the rest of it, there's really not that much damage to it. The camera was still working. We basically were using my tripod here to locate the missing crashed drone, and this really helped us out. The battery never came apart from the drone itself, so it was able to keep the Pixhawk on. And I was able to get GPS coordinates, and we walked right up to it, and the Tyrannus Q7 kept the RSSI, and as I got closer it started beeping, and there it was, found it. It was on the side of the grass next to the road, and this is just the results of it. Anyways, I'll figure out what happened. I'll have to look at the data and Mission Planner and see what happened to it. It started spinning out of control a little bit. It's probably because I was trying to help my grandson with the Solo and he was having problems. It went into manual mode. I noticed the percentage on the battery, the telemetry stopped. So I think it might be the camera that I have on there. It might be causing interference. I believe I've switched it to the GoPro 3 just to see how it worked, and I think that this camera that's on the Solo may be causing the problem. So anyways, this is the results of the damage. So I'm going to have to take a look at the Solo and see if that's okay. Anyways, YouTubers, hope you have a good one. Take care. RC Tech Pro flying, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any comments, write them down. Take care.